So the market has been falling very badly today. Every stock you see is either minus 5%, minus 7%, minus 10%. So there is complete bloodbath in Indian stock market today. And one of the stocks which has been a multi-bagger, and I covered it in this channel multiple times, that is IRFC, which belongs to the railway sector and which has given 600 to 700% return during the duration. When I started making the first video on it, when the price was around 28 to 30, then it touched 230. So that's a huge jump, and then it has now dropped by almost 47% and currently trading at 122 rupees approximately. So in this video I'm going to give you the update on this stock, and few days back I gave you the update on RVNL, and I hope that was helpful. If you are an interested investor in RVNL, then definitely it would have helped you. So in today's video we are going to cover IRFC, and we'll see what is the point, what are the levels where this stock could start using, which the stock could start using as support, and that could be a level where we could do the next buying. We could start preparing ourselves for the next uptrend or the next rally. It's very important. Okay, so before we begin, let me just remind you that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite, right? So let me take you to the screen. Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is IRFC, and as I mentioned earlier, so it gave a massive rally. See, this is the point where it started the big jump, and you can see it has given almost 600%, almost 600%. If I measure from this point, this level, it is almost 600%. It's 900% in fact if we measure from the lowest point to the highest point. Okay, so how could you have figured out that the stock is actually getting weak? You need to figure out a way so that you can take the maximum profit. So there is a simple way. You see, this is the weekly chart. First of all, if I use the RSI, I can clearly see a divergence forming. So let me change it to line chart, and you see there are two higher highs here. Okay, and what do we see at the same level in RSI? Lower highs. So this is a clear bearish divergence. So this is a clear indication that the stock could be starting a downtrend soon. And what would have been the best point of exit? Let me again go back to the candlestick chart. You see, as soon as you see the divergence here forming and the next week it is falling, then what you could do is you can easily draw trend line here. Here trend line is the best tool to which can help you in exiting with the maximum profit. If you draw it like this, you can easily wait for the trend line to be broken, and you could have easily exited at this point. 190, 200, 180 also, it's fine. Okay, so from 30 rupees to 180 rupees, obviously it's a huge rally and you could have made good profit. Now coming to the present situation, let's say you have either taken good profit or you have never invested in IRFC. Okay, it's not a problem because currently it does not make any difference because it is falling very badly. So if I start measuring from here, we can see it has almost fallen by 46.47%. Okay, that's a huge fall, and now we have to mark the fib levels so that we can figure out where it could start falling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the its lowest point. Okay, let's start from the lowest point and see where it is. The fib levels are aligning. Okay, the 50% fib level is aligning. So if I draw it like this, so let me now zoom in. Okay, if I zoom in here, you can see I use this level as the lowest point, and if I go up the top level, this one almost 230, okay, that is the highest point. Okay, so if I draw it there, we can clearly see that the stock is currently resting on the 50% retracement, 123.55, and you can see current price is 123.10. So it's almost there. So you need to add this stock to your watch list. As of now, do not make any entries at all because the market could continue its downtrend. It could be bearish market for maybe some more weeks or months, we do not know. As of now, you just have to pick good stocks which you actually want to invest. Let's say you want to invest in railway sector and you want a good stock, established stock, then just keep adding it in your watch list. Okay, do not make entries now because we have to watch the next price action for the next few weeks or months. Once we start seeing strength, then only we can start accumulating that stock. Okay, this is the weekly chart, and currently, as I said, it is 123.10. 25, the current price. So if I go to the daily chart, I can see strong weakness. So just pause the video, see the chart and tell me, do you see any sign of strength as of now? Because from this point it has been falling massively. It's tried to show some strength, but again it failed. Now it is still very weak, and you can see back to back how many days red candles are being formed. So what you have to do is, I can see this level. Let me just check what level is that. 165 almost. This could be a level which could help us in identifying the beginning of the new trend, because you see this has been acting as resistance here. This is almost there but not exactly, and if I extend it, we can see this was acting as support earlier as well. So 165 level. So we will have to wait for the stock to break this 165 level, so that we can get an assurance that yes, the uptrend has started. And on the lower side we can use this green line. Okay, let us see which level is that. It is the 61% retracement, and the level exactly is 148. So to round it up, 165. Okay, this is the safest bet. Then 150. Okay, I have rounded 148 to 150. So at least the stock needs to cross 150, go above 150, then only you can start considering adding this stock to your portfolio. As of now, don't make any investment in any of these stocks. The market is weak, the railway sector is weak, Railtel, Arvinel, everything is falling very badly. Do not get your money blocked at all. Okay, so save it, so accumulate your money, so that once the market is strong enough, you can start investing, right? So that should be the approach. Okay, so that is all about our IRFC. I hope this quick update video was useful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.